YouTube channel. Today I got a brand new microwave and I'm really excited. We're gonna open it. Cause let me show you my old one. My old one has been making really weird sounds. And look how dirty this is. It makes weird sounds. I'm excited to get rid of this and then switch to that one. So let's do this. Okay guys, I have my microwave up here for the first time. I also took this little piece of whatever it is, but I might have to take some cleaning stuff or like get this thing, whatever that was. But first thing, let's put that in there. And then this thing, it's like for the microwave. And then like you put it on there and then it spins. So, hang on, okay guys, to like push it back more, I don't think it's gonna go any farther. I've tried. It's all the way to the back, not even hitting it, like barely. There's a gap. Maybe, yeah, okay, I think that's how far it's gonna go. And then we're just gonna put those there for now. This thing, I don't even know what to do with, but we're just gonna be shoving it in here. Done. And then this pamphlet, I don't know, put it in here. Random junk in my drawer. And then, if you saw a card, they gave me an extra one, but good thing you guys can't see my pin. Good thing you guys can't see anything. There's no button there's no button you push to open. So that's kind of neat. Now I need to take out this one and set it aside so they can take it to the dump. Okay, we're gonna be cooking for the first time in my microwave. So we're heating this up for about maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes. And then, let's see here. Okay, so I'm going to be scooping this out. And release everything out of here. Okay. Now like that, we just like that and stuff. Okay. Now it's time to put this in the microwave. We're gonna do 1 minute. First time cooking in this new microwave. I don't know if this type of bowl is allowed to be in here. It says these bowls, because I read the back of these bowls, and they say that they're allowed to be in here. So, if this bowl blows up, I'm going to blame it on the bowl. I'm going to blame it on the bowl, because it says it. Yeah. Now I just have to figure out something to drink. And I think I'm just going to have water. Just gonna have water because who doesn't need to stay hydrated? Well, actually, I do have that fruit punch powder. So what I might end up doing is drinking some of the fruit punch powder and then also having water. But I'm not gonna have the fruit punch. It smells so good. It's a bit cold, so we're gonna heat it up one more time. Now it's time to sip on the water. Or actually, I have this cup. Because that way I don't spill my drink. And I think I'm going to go with that. But first, water because I need to stay hydrated. So what I'm going to do with this cup is I could also put it in the fridge when I don't want it. So that's what I'm going to do. First, we're going to add water. I have added way too much water. Okay, don't mind the wasting. I need to pay more attention on adding too much water. Okay. I got this for Christmas, and this is like my second time using it. Yeah, second time. See? You guys need to get a cup like this because it doesn't leak, doesn't spill. My grandpa actually got this for me. And it's nice because it doesn't spill. Now it's time for the taste test. Okay, did that. I always keep forgetting it's locked. And and look at the microwave. Look at that. There's no stains. Let me show you up closely. There's no mess whatsoever in that microwave. That is amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. In the comments, let me know what type of microwave you have and which one is really cool and which one you have. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.